Welcome to Study Loop.
Question 6. Sorry. We have y double prime minus 4y prime plus 4y equals x minus sine of x. And when I see that, I know I'm not just going to be able to use the polynomial or the trig. I'm going to have to do it twice. So here I change it to r squared minus 4r plus 4 equals 0, and that factors nicely into r minus 2 times r minus 2. So r equals 2, and r equals 2, which gives me a general form of c1 e to the 2x plus c2 x e to the 2x, because when we have the r repeated, we have to, our second solution, our second term has the x in it. So now I am going to solve y x equals ax plus b. I'll do that part first. Y prime and y double prime So when I plug it into the formula, into the equation, I get 0 minus 4a plus 4ax plus b equals x. So negative 4a minus 4 or plus 4ax plus 4b equals x. So I have 4ax equals 1x. Therefore, 4a has to equal 1, and a equals 1/4. And now I'm going to use my trig, and I'm going to set that y, I'm going to change it green, y of x, and I'm going to have equals a cosine of x plus b sine of x. My y prime, of course, then would equal negative a sine of x plus b cosine of x, and my y double prime is going to equal negative a cosine of x minus b sine of x. All right, plugging it into the equation, I have y double prime negative a cosine x minus b sine of x minus 4a sine of x plus b cosine of x plus 4y plus 4a cosine of x plus b sine of x equals negative sine of x. So starting all the way down here at the left, I'm going to have negative a cosine x minus b sine of x minus 4a sine of x minus 4b, that's a cosine, cosine of x plus 4a cosine of x plus 4b sine of x equals negative sine of x. So pulling out my commonalities, I have a negative a cosine of x minus 4b cosine of x, and that one, and I'm going to have plus 4a cosine of x, that one, and that's going to equal 0 because I don't have a cosine. And I have minus b sine of x minus 4a sine of x plus 4b sine of x equals negative sine of x. So I have negative 4a sine of x. 4b minus 1b is plus 3b sine of x. So let me go back, and I just have to change this because this is a negative 4 times negative sine, so that has to be a plus. Negative 4a sine of x, 4a here is a plus, and that is a plus. All right, so continuing on then, when I simplify, so I have 4a plus 3b equals -1. And in my purple line, I'm combining negative a cosine of x. So I have -4b cosine of x. 4 minus 1 is plus 3a equals 0. And word a plus 3b equals -1, and 3a minus 4b equals 0. Little linear algebra, and I'm gonna multiply this by 3 and this by 4. So this gives me 16a plus 12b equals -4. This gives me 9a minus 12b equals 0. So 25a equals -4. A would equal -4/25. And I'm going to plug that into my equation. So I have 4a plus 3b equals -1. So I have 4 times -4/25 plus 3b equals -1. So I have -16/25 plus 3b equals -1. Add 16/25 to -1, and I get -9/25 equals 3b. Multiply both sides by 1/3, and I get b to equal -3/25. Now, putting it all together gives me y of x equals c1 e to the 2x plus c2 x to the e 2x plus 1/4 x minus 4/25 cosine x minus 3/25 sine x. There it is.